some shortcut key of the computer. Control C to copy text, picture or document. Control X to cut text, picture or document. Control V to paste text, picture or document. Control Z to undo mistakes on Microsoft Word. Control Y to redo words or text on Microsoft Word. Control A to select all your text in Microsoft Word or document in your computer. Control S to save your work on Microsoft Word. Control P to print your work on Microsoft Word. Control F to find a word or sentence on Microsoft Word. Alt-Tab, switch between open apps. Control-Shift-S, open Task Manager. Windows D, show or hide desktop. Windows L, lock the computer. Windows E, open File Explorer.